Okay guys, just take your iPad and how to connect DigiRoot stylus with your iPad. Okay, you don't need any kind of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing to this one. Okay, you can see my Wi-Fi is off and Bluetooth is turned off, and just take your notes application here, and you can see there is an option for the stylus. Just tap on it and you can see our stylus is here, DigiRoot. Press the top button. Now you can see the lights, that means it's turned on. Okay, now you can just select any type of pen and just say hello. That's it. It does not record any kind of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. That's it. You can simply use this pen. Only 1,500 rupees in India. That's it. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.